is your stop, go. Go, stop. Go, stop. Go, stop. Remember that. Always make yourself a character. Every style that you do, keep character. Make sure, like, if you're robotic, make sure you only one movement at a time. Remember, robots, they were only programmed to move that way. One movement at a time, or two body parts at one time. And then you always have the other method, which is basically the pop and go, pop, go, pop, go. Your hydraulics, remember, basically it's a hit, or shake, hit, shake, hit, shake. Warping. This is warping. Warping is hit. Basically, you want to accentuate that hit, the hit as much as possible. Hit, animation. Hit, animation. Hit, animation. Also for animation, control your speed. If your leg is moving at a certain speed, your arms are moving at a certain speed. So if you're slow, your arms are moving at a slow pace at the same time. Slowly, go, any style turn into, go from animation to warping to go. It's also involved in it. Oh yeah, non-stopping, basically any movement you do, doesn't matter what you do, just stop at done. That's it, that's what non-stopping basically is. Make sure you stop right there, you don't want to be at 20. Don't stop and then shake a little bit. Stop. That's it.
Your hand doesn't stop.
I'm just leaving, so everybody else is here. So I can talk to you about some stuff. And then, what I'm going to do is, after I'm done talking to you about some stuff, I'm going to 3 people at a time. Or whatever. I want to see 3 people at a time. Doing the choreo that I taught you for Genesis, whatnot. This. I want to see people just doing up to here. Oh, actually up to here. Because I'm going to set this up. It's set a certain way.